on the wheel loader. So I got the turbo apart. This is the unison ring that sits and moves all the vanes from the actuator that would touch this piece. So when I took it apart, there's the actuator that controls it. But look at this wheel. Look at this compressor wheel. I saw that. I was like, what has got out of it? Did something shoot out of the motor? You know, combustion failure somewhere. But it has quite a bit of shaft play. Let me prop this up. Excessive. I'll have to measure it here in a moment, but you're not going to be able to see it on camera so much, but pretty excessive. It'll actually move just enough that in the close clearance on the inside of the turbo, this would fit together with that half. And what has happened that shaft has had excessive play and actually got into the variable vanes themselves. The other one's pretty chewed. They are all like that because that contact excessive run out and has damaged the components here. But that's why the actuator was not actuating. That was carbon buildup, and it had carbon in it for sure, but it's actually binding up because of the damage. The fins were all damaged.